Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the steering wheel on your Mitsubishi Outlander. This common issue often occurs when you remove the key or if the wheel is turned after the engine is off. It's actually a built-in security feature designed to prevent theft, so there's no need to worry. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you back on the road quickly and easily. To unlock your steering wheel first, make sure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Next, apply gentle pressure by wiggling the steering wheel slightly from left to right. While doing this, simultaneously turn the key to the on position. You should feel the lock disengage, allowing the wheel to turn freely. This method usually resolves the issue quickly. If the initial method doesn't work, remember to avoid forcing the key or the steering wheel, as this could cause damage. Sometimes, a worn key can be the culprit, so try using a spare key if you have one available. Also, double-check that your vehicle is securely in park or neutral before attempting to unlock the wheel again. Patience is key here. If you've tried these steps and your steering wheel remains locked, it might indicate a more significant mechanical issue with the ignition system or the steering column itself. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose and safely repair complex problems. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.